Here we are going to see how a current loop is acting as a magnetic dipole. So you know what is a magnetic dipole. So magnetic dipole is nothing but two magnetic poles separated by a distance is called as magnetic dipole, and the magnitude of the magnetic dipole is given by magnetic dipole moment, and it is represented by Pm. Pm is equal to the product of the pole strength into magnetic length. So magnetic length is 2L, and the magnetic pole strength is given by Qm. So here we are going to see how a current loop is acting as a magnetic dipole. So you know, magnetic field due to a current loop is given by B is equal to mu naught I into R square by R square plus Z square whole power 3 by 2 into 2. So this is magnetic field due to a current loop at any point on the axis of the loop. Now in this expression, if R is very small compared to the distance of the point, this can be neglected. So when R square is neglected, we will have B is equal to mu naught I into R square by 2 into Z cube. So you will have this expression. Now I am going to modify this expression. Multiplying by pi and dividing by pi, we will have B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi into pi r square by Z cube. So this pi r square can be replaced by area of the coil. So substituting this value, you will have B is equal to mu naught I by 2 pi into A by Z cube. Again multiplying and dividing by 2, we will have B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi 2 IA by Z cube. So now this is the magnetic field due to the current loop at any point on its axis at a distance Z. When this expression is compared to the magnetic field produced by a Bohr magnet at any point on its axial line. So magnetic field due to a Bohr magnet at any point on its axial line is given by mu naught by 4 pi 2 Pm by R cube. So when you compare these two expressions, this is magnetic field at any point due to a Bohr magnet, short Bohr magnet on its axial line. So when we compare these two expressions, Pm is equal to Ia. So the magnitude of dipole moment Pm is equal to Ia. So this Ia plays the role of the magnetic moment of a magnetic dipole. So when current loop is acting as a magnetic dipole, the magnetic dipole moment of the current loop is given by the product of current and area. So this is how a current loop is acting as a magnetic dipole, and the dipole moment of this current loop is given by the product of current through the loop into area of the current loop. So this is how a current carrying loop is acting as a magnetic dipole.